The wait is nearly over as American electric car maker Tesla will begin operations in India soon and has zeroed down on Karnataka as its preferred state to set up its headquarters. According to the document seen by Car and Bike, the electric auto giant has registered its Indian subsidiary under the name Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited, which was incorporated in Bengaluru on the 8th of January 2021. According to the document filed with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Web of Taneja, Venkatrangam Sriram and David John Feinstein have been named as directors. The Indian subsidiary has been registered as a private unlisted company with an authorized capital of 15 lakh rupees and a paid up capital of 1 lakh rupees. The company is expected to commence operations by June this year, and the first product is likely to be the Model 3 sedan. The much-awaited Tata Altroz iTurbo Petrol has been finally unveiled in India that packs in more power and torque figures. The premium hatchback gets a new 1.2-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine borrowed from the Nexon facelift and has been detuned to produce 108 brake horsepower and 140 Nm of peak torque. Compared to the naturally aspirated motor, the new turbo petrol develops 28% more power and 24% more torque. The new engine continues to be paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The new Altroz iTurbo Petrol can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 11.9 seconds with a claimed fuel efficiency of 18.13 km per litre. Tata Motors has also introduced the new Harbour Blue color option on the Altroz from the XM Plus variants onwards. Meanwhile, the turbocharged mill will also get a contrast black roof on the XZ and XZ trims. There is also a new range-topping XZ Plus trim on the hatchback that now gets the IRA connected car technology, leatherette seats, express cool, voice command and more. Prices for the new Altroz Turbo Petrol will be announced on the 22nd of January 2021. Indian Oil Corporation launched XP100, India's first 100-octane high-grade petrol in December 2020, and to commemorate its launch, the oil company recently flagged off a superbike rally in Delhi. The rally included superbikes like the Suzuki Hayabusa, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R, Indian motorcycles and Harley-Davidson Cruisers, among other bikes. All motorcycles were filled with Indian Oil's XP100 fuel. The high-octane fuel promises better engine performance, longer engine life, as well as lower emissions. The low benzene content reduces carcinogenic emissions, while the low aromatic content reduces suspended particulate matter, making it effective on high compression cars and motorcycles. The XP100 is priced at 160 rupees per litre and is currently available in 30 cities across India.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.